Hi guys, welcome back to DH3 Preclinical Dental Hygiene Techniques. This is week 4, and I know it's probably really hard to believe that we're already in week 4. You guys have been hit with a lot of information, so I just want to take a moment to go over Canvas, go through the navigation a little bit, and make sure that we're all on the same page and we all know where things are. So I always like to start on the home page here. A few things that are always on the homepage: the syllabus. That's where you're going to go for any information about the course. The Student Support Hub. If you need any kind of help, it's a great resource. Click on there, go through that, look through there. And then, of course, our course modules. We're going to click on that in a minute, but I do want to point out that your grades are posted right here where it says grades. So let's go through our course modules. So just a little review. As you guys know, our modules are split up into about 4 modules. We have 4 to 5 weeks within each module. And we started with week 1, Intro to Dental Hygiene. Week 2 was all about operator, patient positioning, magnification, and ergonomics. And we started on the medical history in week 3. So we're going to do a continuation of that here in week 4. We're starting with vital signs and ASA classification. So as you know, each time you go through, you start a new week, we do have an introduction page where you can find the skills that you're going to learn during the week. So let's see if we can next. We're going to start with vital signs. That's, of course, temperature, blood pressure, pulse rate, and respiratory rate. And we're going to go through each one of those individually. We start with temperature, and I want you to pay close attention to temperature and why we take temperature and normal temperatures. Pulse rate. And then we come to our blood pressure page. So the blood pressure page has a few things on it. There is there's an audio, video, audio of the blood pressure and what that sounds like as you're taking it with the sphygmomanometer. And there's also a video of how to actually take blood pressure with that blood pressure cuff. And then most importantly, how to say sphygmomanometer. Hardest part of the whole unit. All right, so we're going to go to our next page. And that takes us to respiration. And then we're going to end with ASA classification. At this point, you're going to have a few assignments. You're going to do a teledentistry medical history assignment where you're going to Zoom with your peer partner. I've provided some patient scripts, so if you go to the next page, you will find those, and you each have different patient scripts. So we have person A, B, and C. And then last, I want you to reflect on your experience taking the medical history with your peer partner, how you felt, how comfortable you were, and do a little journal entry. And actually last here, we do have a little quiz at the end. I don't want you to feel like a bunch of pressure with this quiz. This quiz is going to be open book. This quiz is going to help you redirect if you're kind of off in the weeds and maybe studying some things that, you know, really aren't relevant. This quiz is going to help you sort of redirect and make sure that you're studying the correct materials. And then we'll be in week 5. I just want to compliment you all. You're doing great, and keep up the good work.